Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture we have learned about symbols data type in Ruby, and today we will going to learn about array data type in Ruby. Most of programming language has this data type. Even you can go for Java, PHP or .NET, any language, array is there. But here the definition and the functionality of array is somewhat different than other languages. So an array is a collection of multiple different objects in Ruby. Array is enclosed in square brackets and its values are separated by comma. Array index always starts from 0 and goes up to n-1. So if I have declared an array with total 10 values, then its index starts from 0 and goes to n-1 equal to 10 minus 1, that will be 9. So its index value is range from 0 to 9. Here in the first example, with having 5 elements, I want to access the element second, but its actual index value is 1. So what I need to do is I need to write the variable name and pass an index as an argument in square bracket. So for accessing the second value, I need to pass 1 because index always starts from 0. Same for the second example. The name of the second variable is last array with having 7 elements, and from that 7 elements I want to use the fourth one, that is 456.78. that is a fourth number, but its actual index is 3. What I need to do is put a variable name, that is last array, and into the square bracket I will add the element index, that is 3. So it will show me the fourth element from that array. Now we will see examples of array. So here I will create our first array variable, that is first array, and assign some values, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the values. So this is how we can easily create arrays in Ruby. If we wanted to check its base class, we can use that class method and we will find that this first array variable belongs to base class array. Now I want to access this 5 value. So for that we need to take one thing in a consideration, that array index always start from 0. So accessing this fifth element, what I need to do is I need to give an index as an argument. So here I will give 4, that is actually the index, and it will return me my desired output, that is 5. So this is how we can work with array. We can create array of multiple objects as well. For example, let me create another variable and assign one value 1. These all are the different variables. So this second variable contains different objects as its elements. The first one is numeric, second is string, third is symbol, fourth one is an boolean. Here again we are having number, boolean, string, etc. And if we want to check its class method, that will again return us an array. Now if I want to use this learn one, I want to show this learn one, I want to fetch this learn one value from my array. What I need to do is I need to give an index of this learn one element, that is 8. So its actual index is 7. So to access this learn one value, I need to pass its index as an argument, and here this is the 8th element, so its index is n minus 1, that is 7, and we will have our desired output as learn1. So this is how we can work with arrays. In next lecture we will learn about hashish data type in Ruby.